Hello, this is Lyle Alexander, and today I want to invite you to come along with me in the $1 thing. The $1 thing is just $1 a month, but yet you can build with us in a stair-step manner, build an income of over $7,000 per month. In your household, your spouse may have a membership with us, and if you have a business, you can have a third, so you could double and triple dip with this system. But for just $1 per month, this amount of income is possible, and when you total it all together, it's $7,229.04 a month with this. But we won't stop with that. We'll start with this, and then there are other businesses under the same company umbrella that will together go through and build even more income. So start out today with the $1 thing. Take it very, very seriously. It's just $1 a month. You pay it annually. So there's a admin fee, and if you're so for $14 one time, or actually per year, $14 per year, you can participate in the $1 thing to get started at the basic level. And so click the link in the description below. Get in touch with me. We're going to build a team together. And look at this. It's really simple. This is basically 6 generations of everyone getting 3, but you can look at it as building a team of 39, which is a 3 wide by 3 deep, and then helping everyone else do the same, and the rest takes care of itself. So you could have, if you're a builder, you could actually sponsor as many people as you wish, which is what I recommend. But let's say that you've personally put in 39 people, and each of the 39 built their team of 39 within our team. So come along with me today. It's only $14. If you're paying a credit card, it's $16. So it's a no-brainer, but it's something that you want to take very, very seriously. Come along with us, and we will build this income of over $7,000 per month. But there are other incomes that can skyrocket your income as we build through the systems together. So click the link in the description below. Come along with me today, and have a great day, and much success to you.